One of the biggest questions I get asked on a consistent basis is, Zach, how do I make money online if I don't have a lot of money to get started? So in this video, I'm going to share with you the best way to make money online if you're broke or if you don't have a lot of money to start. And if you're broke or you're limited on funds, I want you to realize one thing. It's not a limitation, nor is it an excuse. I hear people all the time use the excuse, I don't have money, so I can't make money. Does money help speed up the process? Absolutely. But you can start with nothing and work your way up. That's exactly what I did. You know, when I first started, I was $50,000 in debt from a drunk driver hitting me, so I didn't have a whole lot of assets or resources to my name. So what I did is I used that hunger, I used that pain, that frustration, and I was sick and tired of being sick and tired of barely getting by, and I used that to fuel me to the top. So what I want you to realize right now, what I'm teaching you in this video, I've made over $1 million online just with this method, and it's exactly what I would do if I lost all my assets, lost all the money in my bank account, and I had to start over from scratch. Now, the best way to accelerate your results and create a consistent income online is not to build a business from scratch. It's not to create everything on your own. The best way to make money online as a beginner is to actually leverage other people's hard work. You know, there's many companies out there and product owners that are actually spending millions of dollars marketing their products, and these products are already proven to sell and well known in the marketplace. All you need to do is be the person that actually connects the person with the problem or a need with the product that will actually solve that problem. You know, you don't need to be the person taking on the responsibility of creating the products, doing customer service, doing all the tech, you know, spending thousands of dollars every single day marketing the products. And you also don't need to be the person that actually spends thousands of dollars to stock inventory before you can actually sell the products. The smart way to do things is to tap into a multi-billion-dollar industry by actually being an affiliate marketer and actually promoting other people's products. So basically what you do is you go out there, you get an individual link for these proven products that you can recommend people to, and then when they make a purchase, you actually get paid. Now, I'm going to start off by showing you an example of one of my favorite products to promote right now called ClickFunnels. And don't quote me on this, but I heard ClickFunnels is now over $100 million a year business, the last I heard. And ClickFunnels is basically a software company. So it allows business owners to automate the selling process in their business. So it builds everything from landing pages, opt-in pages, you know, webinar pages, e-commerce funnels. Pretty much every different type of business online can benefit from ClickFunnels. Now, if you want to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, you have several different options. I'm going to talk about a few of my favorites. Number one being the software because of passive income, right? You refer somebody to that product once and you keep getting paid as long as they're a member. So there's two different levels. There's the $97 a month account, which is the basic package that get people started. And there's the $297 a month package, which is what I have. It has all the bells and whistles. Now, if somebody signed up for that $97 a month account, you're going to make $38 a month reoccurring for as long as they're a member. If somebody signs up for that $297 a month account, you're going to make $118 reoccurring for as long as they stay a member. Now, on top of that, here's an additional benefit. They have something called the Dream Car program. So once you get 100 members into ClickFunnels, and that can be the $97 a month account, the $297 a month account, or a mix of both, you're going to make $500 additional a month towards whatever car you want. Now, once you get 200 members into ClickFunnels, they will give you $1,000 a month towards whatever car you want. Now, besides the software, ClickFunnels has a lot of amazing products, and one of my other favorite offers is the book funnels. There's a couple different books, and the reason I like these books is they give amazing value. Like, I've literally read them like 5 or 10 times each, and when you promote this, you give it away free plus shipping. Now, what happens is when somebody buys that book, they're going to get offered a series of upsells or additional products they can purchase, and then if they actually purchase all those products, you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $1,200. I'm actually going to flash a screenshot somewhere up here where it shows you where I recommended the book, and then somebody didn't buy the products after the actual upsells, but they watched the webinar at the very end. It's a webinar replay, and I made $1,200 doing nothing additional. All I did is literally just give away a free book and made $1,200. Pretty cool, right? Now, we're going to actually talk about in this video one of my favorite offers right now, which is Affiliate Bootcamp and One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, what's really great about this is when you recommend it, you get paid $100, but on top of that, your customers get sticky cookied. Now, if you've never heard this term before, it's kind of crazy. Basically, what happens is that customer is coded to you. So now if they go on to buy additional products, let's say they go watch the webinar, they buy ClickFunnels after buying One Funnel Away Challenge, they buy any of the books or any of the additional softwares, you're getting paid those commissions for doing no additional work. Now, as you can see right here, I made $4,300 promoting Affiliate Bootcamp roughly in the last 30 days. And what's crazy about this to me is I was just testing it out. I wasn't even really focused on promoting it. I actually normally promote the software, and I wanted to test it out and see how well it converts because I recently went through the One Funnel Away Challenge. I thought it was really great for me. I thought it'd be a great fit for my audience. Now, I was not expecting 43 people to buy it with just a light recommendation. It's probably one of the easiest offers I've ever promoted. So now what I'm going to do is really focus on scaling this up and build this up to at least a $10,000 per month or more side income. Now, if you're wondering if this is beginner friendly or somebody like you can actually go out there and start getting results, the answer is yes. You know, I'm going to flash up on the screen right now. These are some of my students that have been following the exact advice of what I'm teaching you in this video, making their first $100 sales. So I have no doubt in my mind that if they just stay consistent, they keep focusing on getting 1% better, pretty soon they're going to be able to get the same type of results that I get. Now, here's the thing I want to touch on really quick. This is not just in the make money online space or the business space. You can do this kind of thing in any different industry that you go into. The most important thing you look at, and this is what a lot of people don't look at, is make sure the product is actually valuable. Make sure the product will actually help your customer get a result. Don't just focus on commissions, because if your only thing is focusing on making money for yourself, you're generally probably not going to do very well. So my number one requirement, the product has to be amazing. I have to know it's going to be a good fit and it's actually going to help them. And then from there, I want to make sure that it's proven in the marketplace and there's a lot of marketing behind it. Because if there's a lot of marketing behind it, it makes it 10 times easier for me to sell it. The reason this offer converts so incredibly well is because of the fact that it's laser targeted to people who want to learn affiliate marketing, which is the exact business model I teach. Now, let's say you want to go broad, right? You want to cater to somebody that has a yoga business or real estate or e-commerce or all of the above. I would suggest just promoting One Funnel Away Challenge, because what the One Funnel Away Challenge does, it teaches a business owner how to take their product, build a sales funnel around it to automate the selling process, and it works for all industries. Now, the number one reason why this converts so extremely well is because it's made by Russell Brunson, one of the best marketers in the business, in my opinion. Now, here's the thing. If you were an affiliate and you were recommending somebody and sending them to this page, that hook on that page is literally going to stop them dead in their tracks and make them pay attention. The hook works so well because of the fact that it speaks to what everybody wants when they think about starting an online business. They want to make a full-time income in under 100 days. It speaks to their core desire, which is they want to fire their boss and call their own shots. And it's a very specific time, right? 100 days. This is something that almost anybody can wrap their mind around. When you scroll down the sales page, it sells people on the idea of making a full-time income by promoting ClickFunnels products, and then offers you a free series of interviews by 15 affiliates that make a full-time income with ClickFunnels, sharing exactly what they did to get those type of results. Now, this is a sexy offer that almost everyone is going to say yes to join because it's free. Now, even if they don't make a purchase, this offer delivers massive value for free just with the interviews from people doing well with the program. Now, once you put in your email to get access to the interviews, you're offered to join the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is an even sexier hook. The One Funnel Away Challenge is a very interactive group coaching program that just costs $100, where you learn how to build a sales funnel to automate the selling process of whatever product you want to sell, regardless if it's your own product, an affiliate product, or even an e-commerce product. Now, the reason this offer is irresistible is that it's both a virtual summit where people are interviewed, and then you have the live challenge where you're coached daily on the steps to implement, and you're given homework, and it's a step-by-step process guiding through everything for just $100, which is absolutely insane. Now, the reason this offer is such a no-brainer is because of the hook about what these online millionaires would do if they lost everything and had to start over from scratch with no assets or no results. This is the question in everyone's mind who sees somebody successful and they think to themselves, yeah, it's easy for you because you're already successful. So in the interviews, all the millionaires share what they would do if they started all over again from scratch with no results and no assets. And this appeals to the small guy just getting started. As a beginner, it's easy to be intimidated or doubt yourself and think you can never achieve big results like those people you're watching. But when you hear people sharing their stories and how they would start from scratch, it's motivating and it gives you the hope that you can do it as well. So the One Funnel Away Challenge not only interviews all the people about what they would do if they had to start over from scratch, but they also teach you how to build your own $1 million funnel. That way you can change your life as well. If I was just starting all over, I was just getting started with affiliate marketing, this is hands down one of the offers I would suggest to go start promoting to make your first affiliate sales, as well as to scale up to a full-time income. I showed you how I made $4,300 with this offer, not including the other offers I promote for ClickFunnels. So I'm pretty sure you can see that if you decided to promote this offer, you stayed consistent, you focused on getting just 1% better every single day, you could easily get one person to sign up per day, which comes out to $100 per day or $3,000 per month. Now, I'm sure you're thinking right now, okay, Zach, this is something I'm interested in. This sounds great, but how do we actually find people that will buy this product? So there's a couple different methods I recommend if you're on a budget, you don't have a lot of money to invest, and just getting started. So number one is go where people are actually having conversations. Go where passionate people that care about a topic are holding conversations all day long, and what we're talking about is Facebook groups. So you can find Facebook groups not only in affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship, but you can find it in weight loss, you can find it in people interested in pets, everything you can possibly imagine in every different niche. So what we can do is we can go over to Facebook, go to the search bar and type in affiliate marketing, for example, or entrepreneur groups. And all you got to do is scroll down and you're going to see all these different affiliate marketing groups that you can join so you can actually start connecting with those members. Now, once you get approved for the groups and you're actually inside of the groups, what you want to do is start adding value to that community, being helpful to those members. Now, trust me, I understand when you first get started, you just want to make a sale, you want to get a commission to prove that this is real. But what I can tell you is if you want to make money, you got to add value to somebody else's life first. So if right now you're just getting started, you don't know a whole lot, go join Affiliate Bootcamp and immerse yourself in the topic. Learn everything you can. Like, you can learn so much. I will bet money that you can learn more than 99% of people if you immerse yourself in something for 30 days. Most people just dabble. They just learn a little bit and then they go on to the next thing. But if you immerse yourself in the topic, you're going to be ahead of 99% of people, so you can be helpful to other people that need your help. So when you're inside these groups and you're actually answering questions and you're being helpful, a lot of times people are going to even ask for more help. They're even going to private message you and ask for more tips. And what you want to do is lead the conversation to the point where they're looking for recommendations. They're looking for help. And then what you can do is actually recommend Affiliate Bootcamp for the solution to their problem. Now, whatever you do not be the person just post your link in the actual, Facebook chat. This will get you blocked. It will get you banned. What you want to do is just say, hey, can I get your email and I'll send you over the free information. The great thing about this method is it's completely newbie friendly. As you can see right here, these are people that are just getting started and they're actually implementing what I'm teaching you here, and they made their first $1,000 in under 30 days. So if you want to be proactive, if you're somebody that wants to get sales much quicker, this is what I suggest. When you go into the groups and you're actually answering questions, people will message you. But if you want to speed up the process, the better way is to actually message people directly, offer additional tips. Do not try to sell them right away because you'll repel them. But once you actually build enough rapport and the relationship is starting to lead more to they're asking for your help, then actually you can pitch them on Affiliate Bootcamp and how that can help solve their problem. Now, if you want to actually get much faster results, YouTube hands down is the way to go. But this is a great method for the introverts that don't really want to put themselves on video and they prefer just to chat with people behind their computer. Now, if you're somebody willing to get out of your comfort zone, you're willing to do whatever it takes, you want to build a reliable, consistent, predictable income, and you really want to build passive income, hands down, YouTube is the way to go. YouTube is a passive income machine. So that $4,300 I talked about earlier, I didn't do any work for it. I mean, I did work for it previously, but it was effortless. And so what I mean by that, I haven't posted a video on YouTube in over 3 months. I was working on my own high-ticket affiliate program. I had several other projects I needed to wrap up before I shoot more videos. So all I did is I went and swapped out my link on one of my videos that promotes ClickFunnels. I swapped it out and promoted Affiliate Bootcamp and made that $4,300 passively. This is why I like YouTube. YouTube is like digital real estate, right? Every video I create is out there working for me 24/7, 365. And the great thing about YouTube is the more consistent you are, the better the results you get over the long term. This is why YouTube really is the game changer, especially if you're broke and don't have much money. Like, all you need is this. You just need your cell phone and the willingness to get out of your comfort zone and make videos that are helpful for other people. Look for things people are searching for and then give them the answers and connect them to a good product. It doesn't take a whole lot of sales in order to make a full-time income with YouTube. If you create consistent videos, what's going to happen is your income is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger over time. So my suggestion, hands down, if you're willing to do this, YouTube is the way to go. All right, so what I want to do really quick is I want to show you how easy this process is, and you're going to be able to use this process regardless of what niche or industry you're in. Obviously, we're using ClickFunnels here. We're talking about selling things like the ClickFunnels software, One Funnel Away Challenge, Affiliate Bootcamp. So I'm going to show you my process of like how I find video topics specifically for these types of people. Now, what you also do, besides going super niche where you're looking for people that are already ready to buy it, you can also go broad, and I'll show you examples of that as well. So the first step would be to go after the low-hanging fruit. These are people that are already looking for ClickFunnels, already looking for One Funnel Away Challenge, already looking for Affiliate Bootcamp. And so you would go in and type things like this, like ClickFunnels review, right? And you're going to find all these videos where basically people are reviewing the actual, software. And you're going to see many different variations. Some people will just talk about it. Some people are going to, show tutorials on how to use it. And there's many different angles you can take. But when somebody types in this specific keyword or any product name review, basically all they're looking at is, should I buy this product or should I not? They're looking for, is it good or is it a bad product so I can save my money? So these are some of the first keywords you can go after. Now you also could go after Affiliate Bootcamp review. So we click right here and you're going to see several people creating these videos. And even though it may not look like a lot of volume, like 7.2 thousand views, 12,000 views, 2.3 thousand views, 3.7 thousand views, what you got to realize is these are buyers. These are people looking to buy the product. So this is laser targeted. This is the low hanging fruit, as I talked about before. Now you could also go type in things like One Funnel Away. Now keep in mind, we're not going to go through every single keyword, but you see right here, One Funnel Away review, One Funnel Away, One Funnel Away affiliate, One Funnel Away bonus. These are all different video topics that you could create, so that way people can find you and you can, of course, sell them the product. So we'll go to One Funnel Away review, right? You see several people in here, 12,000 views, 5.8 thousand views, 3.7 thousand views, 15,000 views. So this is another angle you could take. Now, another one you could do, of course, is going broad, right? These are the keywords that like everybody goes after. They go after ClickFunnels review, affiliate bootcamp review, one funnel away review, expert secrets review. Basically every single product people are buying, that's what they're typing in. But you want to go really broad and expose people to it that may have never seen it before. So you can do something like affiliate sales funnel, right? So this topic right here, which of course this is one of my videos that have made me a lot of money. So this type of video right here, right? You're bringing people in that have not been exposed to ClickFunnels before. They may be just looking, okay, I understand affiliate marketing. I've heard people talk about I need to build an affiliate sales funnel, but how do I do it? So of course, what I did is I created a tutorial showing the steps of what I do. And then of course, I bring them into my funnel by showing them the steps of how to actually do that and go much, much deeper. So I want you to imagine really quick, this only has 17,000 views. Imagine if you got 17,000 views on a video and you got just 1% of those people to convert, right? That's 170 people. Now imagine if you just got half of that, 85 people. So I want you to realize when you consistently create these videos, you can be bringing people in from many different angles. You can go after the topics where people are looking to buy the product. You can go after angles where people don't even know what it is. So it's like the top 5 business models that you can start. And then of course you could talk about being an affiliate marketer, kind of like what I'm actually doing in this video. You could bring people in from angles of actually showing them tutorials of how to use the software for specific type of audiences. So if you really just sit down and brainstorm and go out there and look at what other people are doing and model what is proven to work, you can go out there and get success much, much faster. Okay, so that's pretty much a wrap, but I wanted to leave you with a couple of things. Number one, if I was starting all over from scratch, like hands down, the method I just taught you is what I would do. If I didn't make all the millions, I didn't have money in my bank account, I didn't have resources, I didn't have all this fancy equipment to film videos, I would literally just pick up my phone and start filming videos to an audience that's actually looking for things out there to learn, and I would connect them with the products that will help solve their problems. Like affiliate marketing, hands down, is the best business model to get in to make a full-time income, and it's definitely the best business to get in as a beginner, and it's only going to get bigger because more and more companies are coming into the pool and realizing the best leads, the best sales come from people referring the products to them. So here's the thing. If you want to learn more about this, you want to learn more about the ClickFunnels affiliate program, what I'm going to do is link up either over here or over here. One of my videos I did, it's like literally goes from step A to Z on the ClickFunnels affiliate program so you can learn more about it. And then of course, the final thing I really want to touch on is that if you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. And then the last thing, I know I said the final thing, but the last thing I'd like to ask you is leave a comment below. Let me know, what do you want to know about affiliate marketing? Like what questions do you have? What kind of videos would you like me to create? And I'll engage with you down in the comments. With that being said, take care and I will see you in the next video.